Good morning. Welcome to Karuna Vidyakshetra News. This is Harshan with you. Let us start with the headlines. Child prodigy Parth Raj Kapoor holds India Book of Records 2022 in mathematics. Geometric shapes are child's play for this 3-year-old in Andhra. 10-year-old bagged silver at international karate competition. Khelo India Youth Game. Haryana is the ultimate Khelo India champion. New academic year gleams with more excitement and fun. Parth Raj Kapoor, a student of Class 4, earned a place in the India Book of Records 2022. This exceptionally talented 8-year-old solved 13 complex 5-digit calculations within the set time, each sum comprising 5 digits and 10 rows. This math genius began with his practice 1 month prior to the test. It took him around 27 minutes initially to solve the problems. Lakshara Adya Somararaju is a month shy of turning 3, but has got a name imprinted on the India Book of Records. Called a prodigy by her parents and relatives, Adya has a remarkable memory, due to which she remembers the names of 8 planets in our solar system, state capitals, organs, vegetables, emblems, colors, famous personalities, and 19 geometric shapes. Adya was able to answer 26 general knowledge questions in the quickest time so far by someone in her age group, which made her a record holder in the India Book of Records. Himant Kaushik, a 10-year-old boy, has claimed a silver medal at the Tbilisi International Grand Prix Karate Tournament held in Georgia from June 3rd to June 5th. Himant Kaushik participated in the earlier edition of the same competition held in Muscat in 2021, when he bagged gold and bronze medals. With an intention to make India a global sporting giant and to utilize the immense potential of youngsters in the field of sports, Khelo India has given a platform to athletes from across the country to showcase their potential. During the final days of Khelo India Youth Games, with Maharashtra leading the medals tally, Haryana boxers came up with a dominating display to win 10 gold medals out of the 20 medals on offer in boxing, to help host Haryana win the overall championship trophy. In the words of John Wooden, things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. Being the best and working things in the best possible way drives everyone with new zest and zeal. And continuing to a successful journey, like each new destination, brings a new adventure, teaches a new lesson, and adds new anticipation into our lives. The adventurous academic year 2022 to 2023 of Karuna Vidyakshetra International School continues to add new excitement and fun in its passage, starting with Father's Day, a day dedicated to the hero of every child's life, with each class giving a unique idea of the day was celebrated with love and happiness. As the world says, happy soul, a fresh mind, and a healthy body. Yoga Day was celebrated with a blend of calmness and vitality. The students of Karuna Vidyakshetra International School are not only taught to excel in academics, but to maintain a balance in all fields of life. And owing to this, the extracurricular activities like swimming, karate, martial arts, hip-hop, classical dance, and music, instrument, archery, etc. are being taught at school. It's truly said, children are not things to be molded, but are people to be unfolded. Crafting Tender Minds life skills, Chapati Making Activity and Fruits Day was celebrated with enthusiasm and fun. Aristotle said, the quality of life is determined by its activities. The activities entails are more to be said. Let's wait for the journey to be explored. Stay tuned for more stories from the desk of Karuna. This is Harshan signing off. Thank you.